Hi everyone, it's Sue. Today I'm going to show you how to use the RST on wood using Mod Podge. So the first thing you're going to do is I have my printed image. My piece of wood is here. I'm going to take the Mod Podge. I'm going to put it on here. And take, whoops, let me get this out of here. And take the brush. You're going to paint it on, well not paint it on, but smooth it on here. And remember how cheap Mod Podge is at the Dollar Tree. Once you have it smoothed on there, you're going to take your image. You're going to lay it on. You're going to take the squeegee, kind of smooth over it. And you want this to dry on here. So what you're going to do is about an hour, just set it aside and let the Mod Podge dry on there. So you're going to set it off to the side. Okay, now that it's dry, you're going to take a water bottle. You're going to spray this down because you want to get it really wet. And you can see your image coming through on here. Once you've saturated all this with the water, you're going to lay it down and you're going to peel this off. You got a beautiful piece without even using a heat press. And over here you can check out some of the other items we've done. This is stuff that you can do, especially this treasure box, because you didn't need to put this under a heat press. On the side here, it came out so cute. And always remember, you don't need a heat press for this. Just the paper, bottle of water, some Mod Podge. You can make some awesome products.